Hi, we're going to read the book, What is a Plant? What are plants? Plants are living things. Like other living things, they grow, take in food, and have young. There are many different kinds of plants in the world. They come in different sizes and shapes. Weeds, tall grass, flowers, leaves, and bushes are all types of plants. So I'm going to show you a pic of all those different kinds. Plant parts. All living things have different kinds of parts, plants included. Plants can look different, but they are made up of the same parts. We group plants together because most of them have stems, leaves, flowers, roots, and fruit. What different parts can you see on this plant? So I'm going to show you all the different parts. What are roots? Roots are the part of the plant that grow under the ground. Different kinds of plants have different roots. Plants are often white like these. The roots are white and they grow down into the ground. Some plants have lots of small roots. Some plants have one big root. What do roots do? Roots have two important jobs. Plants need water to grow, and the hairs on the roots soak up all that water, and they need to eat just like us. So the roots also soak up all the nutrients from the soil. That feeds them so they can grow big. The other job is that they keep the plants from falling over. Roots hold the plant in the ground. Trees are heavy and they're big, so they have to have strong roots. So they don't do this. Okay? So they keep them upright and growing. Stems. Stems are part of the plant that grows above the ground. They hold up the flowers and the leaves. Stems have hollow tubes inside and they carry water from the roots to the rest of the plant. Plants may have one stem or they could have many. So here's some stems. This plant has many stems. And this plant has just a couple. One main one and then some offshoots for leaves. Kinds of stems. Tree stems are very thick, tall, and strong. These special stems are called tree trunks. Some plants have thin stems. These stems are not strong enough to hold plants up, so the plant climbs up other plants or sticks to them, such as like an ivy. So here's a tree trunk stem. And here's an ivy that's attached itself to a tree trunk. What are leaves? Leaves make food for the plant. They use air, water, and sunlight to make the food. Stems hold the leaves up so the sunlight reaches them. Water travels up to the leaves from the roots underground. Air moves through the little holes at the bottom of the leaf. So if you see all the veins in a leaf, looking at leaves. There are many kinds of leaves. Some leaves are flat and wide. These leaves fall off their plants when it's winter. So I'm going to show you those kind. And then some plants such as pine or fir trees have leaves all year round. That is why they're called evergreens. And their leaves are long and thin. So if you look at this, up at the top, that's an evergreen. And they keep their leaves while these other ones fall off. What are flowers? Flowers grow on stems. They start as a bud and then they open up into lots of colorful petals. Plants use flowers to make seeds. When seeds start to grow inside a flower, the petals die and the seeds fall off and the plant and hopefully land in the ground to grow a new flower. Different flowers. Some plants have big flowers and some have small flowers. Some only have one and some have a lot. So like a tulip only has one flower. But look at this one. It has lots of flowers. Some flowers grow at the top of a stem and some grow like up like we saw that vine one. That was called foxglove. What are fruits? Fruits are the part of a plant that holds seeds. Seeds can grow into new plants. Some of the fruits are soft and juicy, while others are hard and dry. Fruits keep seeds safe while they grow. The fruit falls off the plant when the seeds have finished growing. Then the seed can grow into new plants, like tomatoes and peaches and cucumbers. Odd ones out. Some plants don't grow fruits and flowers like other plants. This is like the conifer tree. They grow cones instead of flowers and fruit. Cones are like wood-like and they have scales. Ferns do not have fruits and flowers either. They make spores instead of seeds. And the conifers and ferns are still plants because they make food in their leaves just like other plants. So if you look at this, this is a fern and it has the spores on their leaves. Cool, right? Fruit and other plant parts can be good to eat. They can help you grow. We should eat at least 5 different fruits and vegetables every day. Well, this is What is a Plant? Thanks for reading this book with me and have a good day.